Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for joining me today. So I'm in my cargo trailer. This is my 16-foot long, 7-foot wide, 7-foot tall cargo enclosed trailer. I've had this almost 2 years. I built this out to be kind of my dirt bike, ATV trailer. I store my bikes in here when they're not in use. I take this with me and I've got everything I need in here. What really makes this thing nice and useful that I've really enjoyed over the last 18 months is all the ETrack that I have in here. The ETrack just provides a lot of great mounting points, a lot of versatility, a lot of functionality that the trailer has that I can use it for all kinds of different things. So today I want to show you all kinds of different ETrack accessories that you can get. I've partnered with a company called Onesnt, and they make a lot of these great quality ETrack accessories, cargo mounting points, motorcycle wheel holders, baskets, fire extinguisher holders, shelf bracketing, all kinds of different things. So I want to show you all these accessories, show you how they work and how they go in this trailer. All right, guys. So I want to show you first off. This is a wheel chock mount for the ETrack. This is a really cool product. That comes in a pair of 2, so you can buy as many as you need. And what it does is it mounts to the wall. It can either be a 45-degree angle or it can be 90 degrees. Either way. And then it has these really cool straps to strap the handlebar on. I want to put these together and show you how they work. Assembling these is really simple, and it includes the tools needed with the hardware. So if you want it just a 90-degree angle, you can just put the ETrack clamp right on the back, and this would sit against the wall at a 90-degree angle. Or you can put this 45-degree bracket, put your nut on both sides. So for this setup, it's just going to be a 45-degree angle. It takes 4 bolts, 4 nuts. So I have the nuts on the outside and the Phillips head on this side, and I just hold it with this. Use the 10mm side here just to hold the nut, and then I just use the screwdriver to tighten it down. Really simple. Okay, this is the 45-degree angle wheel chock. You see it's on this angle here, and that way I can pull my dirt bike in right here at a 45-degree angle, and the wheel's going to be secure against the wall. This one I set up to be just the 90 degree, so it doesn't have that angled piece on there. You want to make sure when you're assembling these that you put this spring clip at the very top, so that way it's easier to get out. And this is a 90 degree, meaning I can put my bike in. This is 90 degrees, it's perpendicular to the wall, and then you'll be able to put your bike straight across in here, which is helpful because if you have different size bikes, some might be able to fit in 45 degrees, some might be able to fit at a 90 degree. And you can see you can move these around too, so they come out really easily. You just pull the spring clip here to release it from the ETrack. So you pull back, put into the ETrack, and it locks into place like that. You can see this is a smaller bike. This is a smaller kid's bike. This is about as small as bike as you get. And it fits really good across this way. You can actually fit more bikes in as if you stack them at a 90-degree angle all the way down. 45-degree angle like this one. This is a 110. This is you could fit less bikes at a 45-degree angle, but they're easier to get in. If you have a bigger bike, you want to pull it in at a 45-degree angle because it's easier just to put the wheel right into the wheel chock. It also comes with 2 straps, 2 tie downs to hold this bike down, so you don't need to buy additional tie downs if you don't need them. Now, where these are nice is the ends of the tie downs are actually ETrack clips. So on the ratchet side, there's an ETrack clip, and on the larger strap side there is. So what we'll do is we'll wrap it around the handlebars, strap it against the wall, and I'll show you how this works, and then we can just ratchet it down, really keep it tight against the wall. Okay, you can see here I have my anchoring points on either side of the wheel chock, and then I've got my strap through the center here. I just pull the slack tight, and then I release the handle with this clip, and then I just start ratcheting. What that's doing, if I take the bike off the kickstand, okay, if you see there I have it kind of wrapped around the fork and the handlebars, so that's kind of a nice tie down point right there. And just want to make sure it's nice and tight. That compressed the suspension pretty good. One thing I could do also, maybe just to make it a little more secure, is I could put, because I have the ETrack on the floor, I could just do a tie down to the handlebar right down to the floor to kind of keep it a little stable. This is going to keep it, the nice thing is it's going to keep that wheel centered and snug against the wall inside the wheel chock, so that way it's not going to pull out, it's not going to really affect that much. It's going to stay in there nice and tight. So probably just one strap to the floor, and it'll be good to go. And as you can see, I have this one strapped in there as well. The 90-degree really holds it in there nice and tight in there. So as you can see here, we have the one on the 45-degree angle, the one on the 90, and the 90 is good for these smaller bikes because you can really turn them around here. They're lighter, they're easier to maneuver in the trailer. The 45-degree I use on my bigger bike, like adult-sized bikes that are heavier, that are harder to move the wheel around. And if I did a full-size bike at a 90-degree angle, I would take up this full area here. So even doing a 90-degree angle on a smaller bike, you still have a lot of room to pass behind it. So the next ETrack accessory I want to show you is this fire extinguisher ETrack holder. So it actually comes like in a cool camo pattern, and then it has 3 straps, Velcro straps, that come around the front here and would strap onto a fire extinguisher bottle. Now it's actually meant to be for the bigger size fire extinguisher bottles, but it could actually work with this one as well. This smaller one would strap in there. The cool thing is it just straps right on here, nice and tight, and it has the clips here, so you could actually use the fire extinguisher while it's in the straps. Pull the pin, pull it out if you need to get it to it quick, and then you just hold down the clips, put it back in the ETrack, and it's good to go. So it's easy to take out, easy to use, and makes for storing your fire extinguisher really convenient. So one of the tools I keep in this trailer is a broom with a dustpan in here, mainly because it just gets dirty, dusty. You'll be able to sweep things out, keep it clean. And finding a good place to keep it is always a challenge. So once it has a pack of 6 of these are the tool holders. They're spring clips. They open up, and they're able to clamp around things like this, tools, accessories, broom handles, things like that. So if I just clip this right into the wall here, I just push right against it. So this holds it really secure. One thing I could do is I could put one on the bottom as well, right below here. So you see here we have 2 of these clamps, one on the top ETrack, one on the bottom. So if you have 2 rows of ETrack, this works pretty good. So it's clamped on both spots. It's going to keep it. You know, it does have a little movement to it, so it'll move, but it's not going to move anywhere. This thing is actually really solid. I can give it a good pull, and it's not going to come out. Okay, I'm really excited to use these ETrack baskets. So these are from Onesnt, and as you can see here, they have 2 ETrack clips on the back, and they have this reinforcement bar right here that's really going to help keep it secure and stable. This thing can hold a lot of weight. Really nice, secure, sturdy basket. And these just clip right into the ETrack. So if I just lift up the clip them down in. I've got 2 of these. These come in a pack of 2, and you can see how useful these can be. With these being right here in front of where I pull my bikes, this would be a good spot to put tie downs, straps, ratchets, things like that. Yeah, I want to show you all 3 sets of these hooks that can go on the wall on the ETrack. So this set here, this is a larger hook, and it comes with these straps. These straps have a nice grommet in there, and then they're a Velcro strap, so you can actually loop things in there. So let's say you want to hang up extension cords or other things that you can wrap that hook around, and then you could just stack these on. It actually comes with 4 of these Velcro hooks, and then you have 4 of these wall hooks. With this set here, you get 2 small J hooks that clip right into the wall, and then you get these bigger U hooks that can clip onto the wall as well. These are great for hanging helmets, all kinds of stuff. And then there's also a set where you can get just 4 of these smaller J hooks. Let's get these on the walls and show you how versatile they are. Okay, these larger hooks here, you can see they just clip right into the wall. Clip right into the wall like this. And this is an example of how you can use this, like extension cords. I always like to keep extension cords in here. And it can just hang right from that grommet just like that. And we have 4 of those. Great for hanging helmets. Even these bigger U-hooks here would be great for helmets. Almost the perfect size for a helmet to hang there. If you had the ETrack up higher, this would be a perfect solution for hanging stuff like that. And then we have these smaller J hooks that we can put in different locations here. This is a must-have. If you have ETrack, this is a must-have, and I really like that Onesnt has these black O-ring anchor tie-downs for the ETrack. The ones I've had in the past have been like a brass or a gold-looking color. Because I have the black ETrack in here, these black tie-downs really match it great. They're nice and sturdy. They've got a great look to them and great function. You can see here, you get a pack of 12. I have these all spread throughout the trailer here. I have them on the floor, I have them on the wall. The nice thing is they're so easy to remove. Just pop it out, move your tie-down location to a different spot. You're good to go. I like having the ETrack on the wall and on the floors because it really just makes it super useful and versatile where I can change my tie-down points. If I wanted to run one of my traditional tie-downs from the handlebars to the bike down to the floor just to keep it a little more stable, I'd probably do that. You can run that there, use your existing tie-downs, your bar straps, and hook right into these. All right, another useful accessory is going to be these ETrack shelf brackets here. You can see they just mount right into the wall. They're removable, but they're the shape of a 2x4, so you can put a 2x4 in there and make shelves if you need to do some kind of a shelving unit. Now I have like this workbench cabinet area in the front here, but that's a good spot to do these shelves. If you wanted to do like removable shelves in the front of your trailer, you could use these. So how this would work is actually designed to fit a 2x4. It comes with your screws and washers, so 2 screws on each side, 2 on this side, 2 on this side, and then you could do however wide you want the shelf to be. You can move that side, and you just would stretch it all the way across. Here's would be the other side. You just would cut your wood to the length of the trailer, hook it in all the way across, just get your ETrack level and even on each side, and you could hook these in. And the nice thing with this is it's actually removable. So everything with the ETrack system is going to be removable. Nothing's permanent. You can take it out, customize it as needed, and you can really have versatility with your trailer. Okay guys, as you can tell, these are some great accessories from Onesnt. A lot of versatility, a lot of functionality with these hooks, these holders, these straps, these tie downs, the wheel chocks, the fire extinguisher holder. A lot of great options when it comes to just making your trailer more usable, more functional. And the nice thing with all the ETrack accessories is nothing's permanent. You can take all this stuff out. If you have to haul something really big or that's not going to really fit with all these accessories on, you can just take these out really easily in the ETrack system. That's what really makes it nice and functional with this. They're a high quality product, and just it really helps you secure your cargo as you're driving down the road. You want to make sure you have places to store things, and the things you have in here are secured and tied down. That's really what these accessories are going to help you with. So just makes using your trailer a lot easier. Guys, so thanks for watching the video. Be sure to see the links in the description down below to all these Onesnt all the Onesnt ETrack accessories, all of these and many others that they have. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.